All right, our market's about to open. Um, we sold off a lot last night. A lot of selling off last night. We don't have any specific significant points of resistance or support. All right, market just opened. All right, we sold off about 40 points and ate it and went right back up like immediately. Um, we closed right above VWAP. I would assume we're gonna head up here, but um, I'm just gonna wait it out because it's very volatile right now. Wow, that's crazy. So it does look like we're gonna try to aim for the highs here. But it's tough to can't be sure right now. We can aim for here, can aim for VWAP, can aim for London high. But right now it seems like we're very indecisive on what we're gonna do. It's funny, on the 1 minute, we triggered everybody's stops on both sides here, but we just did it most recently on the highs. And now our trending down, we just closed below.
Order filled.
Pretty good entry. I need a bit more on this move. So I'm just gonna aim for that. That'll put break even.
Order filled.
Perfect. All right. I'm gonna give it 10 more seconds. We could aim for London low here. It's just so close. Yeah, I don't know if that's. I don't need that many points. That's the thing. We're just entering so late on the candle. We've already headed down 60. Oh, so many points on this candle. So I'm gonna hold off on this one. B already went down 20 points. 40 to we already went down 80 points. So I think that's the move that we wanted. And we caught it. We caught it on one account, but right now I think we're gonna have to fill some of this gap here before we go short. If obvious market does want to continue down, um, but I don't want to enter until it because it genuinely it could sell off like that and continue all the way back up.
Order filled.
We're just seeing real good movement to the downside right now. So I'm gonna enter. My stop's not at a good point.
Order filled.
Okay, I don't know why I do this. I literally say that this gap needs to be filled a little bit more. If I was gonna enter, I would have needed to enter at the high there. Um, oh, and honestly, I should have absolutely give myself some more. Yeah, it's gonna fill this gap a little bit more for our heads back up. I should have known that. I mean, I literally said that, but whatever. We have to go smaller. We don't have a lot of drawdown. That was a lot of movement to the upside, but we're right below VWAP.
Order filled.
Kind of want to target the lows here. And do a stop above this candle here. Where's London low? 25645? So that it's like it's right there. For now, I'm gonna put it there, but let me just switch over and put it. Realistically, it needs to be here. No, realistically, it needs to be here, but I don't have a lot of drawdown.
Order filled.
I wanted to take something off of it. We can re-enter, but the movement on this candle, the movement up was really heavy. And we made some movement down for sure, but just based off price action, which is how I trade, it kind of seems like it wants to trade back up. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting till close over the VWAP on 1 minute, and I'm gonna buy.
Order filled.
All right, that's good enough for me. Aim for that right there. So where's London High? 800 here. It's at VWAP. That's what we're aiming for. We'll do plus 200. My only problem is we made such a large movement up already. I don't know if we can continue. I mean, it looks like a perfect long here, which I'm fine with, but I just don't know if we can continue going up because we already went up so much. Yeah, 100 points. I don't know if we can continue for another 20, and I want to take some profit on here. We'll see. It looks good, but
Order filled.
yeah. Okay, so man, I don't know. Do I go for more? It's gonna continue up again. It's pretty obvious. I just would like to see a little bit more selling off. Maybe to honestly, what I'd love to see, I don't think we're gonna get it. Yeah, my Let's see if I would have hit. It would have been at 90, I think. I mean, realistically, this is where I should have had it, and that would have hit. But I don't know. I don't know if I really should chase another one. I think we literally have to head down at least a little bit here. This is it's another 90-point candle. I mean, we have to close the gap at least a little bit. What I want to look for here is a fall down to view up and then a long entry. I don't want to enter long here because even if we do, we're approaching London highs, we're approaching view up, we're approaching points of resistance. It's just not a good entry right here. I would like to see some movement down first before I enter back. Because this range right here, we got stuck in it like all of London. I mean, we sold off temporarily and bought all the way back up, but we really sold off in Asia. Yeah, I really need to see some more selling. It's just not enough after almost 100 points. And I need to be okay with missing moves. Like when I said before, like I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute close above VWAP. It didn't close above VWAP yet, but the volume on it started to become very extreme. So I entered and I ended up catching a great move up. I want to see a break to VWAP here, and then I'll enter long again. But I need volume to be weak when it gets there. I might call it, honestly. I mean, we could try for more, but it just doesn't seem worth it. We kind of did exactly what I said, but I didn't enter because it didn't go to VWAP yet. That kind of was our entry. I kind of called it, but that's crazy. I called it. I called that.
Order filled.
I just will grab this. This is fine. I would love for it to go up here so I can put break even for this new 5 minute. I don't think it's gonna happen.
Order filled.
Uh, I'm gonna call it. Honestly, I'm chasing. I literally the move that I wanted was it literally was there. I'll show you. A breakdown to view up on the 1 minute and then a buy. That's exactly what I was looking for. I just didn't enter because it didn't go to view up yet. Um, one thing that I'm noticing is like I'm getting the calls right. Not all the time, definitely not all the time. But for the most part, not for the most part, sometimes I'm getting the calls right. And then I'm not allowing myself any drawdown. Honestly, it might keep buying up here. No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. It's fine. I don't care. We made money. Let's just be happy with that. Okay. So I don't remember what my mistake was on my funded. Oh, I entered in on a stupid place. I entered in mid candle so heavy. Um, that was just dumb. I didn't really have a specific setup for it. We blew past view up, we blew past London low, which is it's fine. At least I'm getting it right for the most part, for some parts. Um, yeah, I don't have any more accounts that's traded or anything, but yeah, good day.